Breaking news coming in, and a big setback for Indian badminton star and sensation Lakshya Sen, who has suffered a legal blow. This after the Karnataka High Court has dismissed his petition against allegations of falsifying his birth records. There is a complaint which claims that he and his family and his coach tampered with his birth certificate. Well, let's go across to Rika Roy for more on this story. Rika, give us details of this case and a setback as now these allegations will be further investigated.
Well, Gargi, this really is very sad for the Indian sporting ecosystem that Lakshya Sen, who's the former junior world #1 in Indian badminton, he has a world championship medal as well. He's been accused of age fraud, and it's not just him, but even his brother has been accused of age fraud. Both of them are at the Vimal Kumar Academy in Bangalore. Their father took them to the academy a few years ago. Lakshya, of course, we know that he's been a part of the system since the time he was a 9 or a 10-year-old. We've been following him as long as that, but suddenly these allegations have come up against him and his family, and the Karnataka High Court today has allowed the criminal proceeding to go on because Lakshya Sen and his family had filed a counter petition to quash this case, but the Karnataka High Court said that the allegations should be probed in the right manner. The authorities should do their due diligence against the alleged fraud and the certificates of age proof that were admitted. The person who alleged of age fraud said that Lakshya and his brother manipulated at least 6 to 7 years to be able to play in the age group tournaments, and that is a massive allegation on a sports person, let alone any superstar like Lakshya.
Right, Rika, and as you said, this is, a sad day for Indian sport. As you said, Lakshya is a big star, and of course, we've seen the coverage of his, and he's called this badminton sensation. So the fact that the court has found, valid reasons for allowing this to further continue, and hopes, against hope, it'll be false. But this really, it's not a good day for Indian badminton.
And age fraud remains one of the biggest menace in Indian sport. Look, Gargi, India has done phenomenally well at the junior level in most sport, but the fact that we haven't really translated our junior performance to the senior medals, and one of the big reason behind it is age fraud. And while the authorities constantly keep on checking, keep checks and balances on the players, keep on checking their certificates and everything, but this is one of the biggest menace, as one would say, in Indian sport. But with Lakshya Sen, it now comes under the scanner, under the spotlight, because we haven't really heard of any superstar in Indian sport being accused of age fraud.